Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to have your printed jobs preview in color or in black and white. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, by default, like we've seen before, if we go to print and say OK, then with the actual preview here, we can see all our shapes and that's in color. So then it kind of makes it easy sometimes to understand, but as you can see, some of these colors here, the numbers can also kind of disappear. And now, one way you can do this is you can obviously just print it in black and white. You don't have color ink, but keep in mind that it is still going to keep the values of the actual shapes. So in other words, the brightness. So a light shape like this will be fine, but this number 4 over here is going to become quite a dark shape. So now there's an actual way we can go about this, which strips all the color and values. So what we want to do is go to our configuration. You can find it here on our primary toolbar and also from our main menu. So once we've opened this, it's going to open up with some different options. Then what we want to do is navigate to the third last panel or tab, which is report. And then under here, we've got print report images. So if I zoom in here, you can see currently it is checked on. I'm going to check this off, then go at the bottom, click apply, and then OK. Then if we go now back to print, you should notice, let me just move it to the screen again, it is stripped it from all colors and values. So this is kind of a nice way to go. The other one with colors can be quite nice to not make it feel so overwhelming. In my opinion, when you strip all the colors, sometimes it can feel like it's too busy and it's hard to make sense of what's happening. But this one also has a very clean look to it, which could be quite professional. But yeah, otherwise that is it on having your previews in color or not. So once again, just quick recap. Go to configuration from your primary toolbar, go to report or the report tab. And then what we want to do is go to print report images. So when it's checked on, it will be colored, and when it's checked off, it will be black and white. But yeah, otherwise that is it on having your preview in color. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and until next one, cheers.